A very good morning dear children, I am Ratna Chatterjee from Study Hall Educational Foundation, and today we are going to start with very important chapter of your literature portion, chapter number 25, that is Bholi. Okay, so before understanding what Bholi chapter is or what Bholi lesson is all about, because it is about a girl who was born to a farmer family. Alright, so let us understand about the family structure of Bholi's family. Okay, so Ramlal was the father. Okay, Ramlal was father of Bholi. Ramlal had 7 children. Okay, 3 sons and 4 daughters. Bholi was the youngest amongst them. Then he was a prosperous family farmer. Okay, it was a prosperous family. The farmer was very prosperous and all his children were very healthy and well-to-do except Bholi. Alright, and he had sent all his sons to the city to study, first in schools and then in colleges. Alright, so and all the children were very healthy and strong except Bholi. The family paid very less attention towards Bholi. Now let us understand right from the birth how Bholi was. Bholi was born very normal. She was very fair and very pretty. Alright. Earlier her name was Sulekha. Okay. She was very fair and pretty at birth. Like any other child, she was healthy, she was very fair, she was pretty, and she brought a lot of happiness, joy to the family. But later on, she was very unfortunate that when she was only 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head. Okay, she had fallen from the cot on her head and some portion of the brain become damaged. Alright, that is the first thing that had happened to her, and this is because she learned to speak lately and she was later known as very simpleton, and from Sulekha her name changed to Bholi. Then when she was 2 years of age, she had an attack of smallpox, a deadly virus, okay, which she had an attack of, and as a result what had happened? Permanently she was discovered with deep black pock marks all over her body except the eyes. Alright, the eyes were okay, but all her body was disfigured. Then when she was 7 years of age, okay, a primary school opened in her village, and her father Ramlal was the lambardar of the village. So when it got inaugurated, the Tehsildar had came to their village to inaugurate, and he ordered Ramlal as a revenue official that he should become the role model to send his daughters to school to study. But he was not agreed, and he was very afraid of sending his daughters to school, because in those days it was considered that if the daughters will study, then they will not get married. Okay, and the sole purpose of the farmer was to get his daughters married nicely. Then therefore he consulted his wife, and his wife had given him the idea that why don't we send Bholi to school, as if she is disfigured and as if she is little compromised in her brain activities. So let us send her to school. In this way you will keep the word of the Tehsildar also, and you will become the role model also, as is Bholi will not get married to anyone because of her looks and her intelligence. So that day what happened, that for the first time poor Bholi, her hair were oiled. Okay, she got the bathing. Okay, she was bathed for the first time. Just think how poor this girl was. Then for the first time she had been given a neat and clean dress to wear, as is she had never been any new clothes have not been meant for Bholi in all these 7 years, but that day she had given a clean dress at least to wear. Earlier Bholi was very afraid, but later at the end Bholi believed that definitely she is being taken to some good place, some better place than her home, and then she agreed to go with her father to the school. So children, that is for the first time when Bholi's hair was oiled. Alright, she bathed for the first time, and for the first time she got to wear the clean dress, although it was a dress of champa, but it was a clean dress at least that she could wear that day. And when all these things happened, then only Bholi could believe that she was taken to a better place than her home. So she agreed to go with her father. Alright. So when Bholi was taken to the school, she was very much afraid, she was scared, and she did not have the courage to talk to anyone. Therefore, she sat down in one corner of the classroom so that no one can talk to her. Alright. Why? Because she was running lack of confidence, because she used to stubborn. I told you earlier that because of her pock marks before, because she had fallen off the pot. Alright, she has lost all her confidence, she used to stammer a lot. Alright, so but later on, after some time, after finishing with all other students in the class, she had seen that her teacher was standing nearby her. She tried to talk to her, but she never answered. The teacher asked her name, but she couldn't answer even her name, and she started to cry. Why? Again, because of the lack of confidence, because she was never being taken care of by her family members. But later on, when teacher called her very nicely, it touched her heart, and since then she decided to go to school and to study. And slowly, gradually, one after the another, she started to cross the levels, means she now becoming educated. After few years, this village has become a town. Okay, and here instead of a primary school, now it is a middle school. Okay, then few years later, Bishambar, another person from another village, sent proposal that he wanted to marry Bholi. Why? Because he was a widower. Okay, and his children were the same as the age of Bholi, but then too he wanted to marry Bholi. At this, Bholi agreed because of her parents, because they wanted her to get married to Bishambar. Therefore, she never refused it. Then, but what happened at the day of marriage? When he saw Bholi, he was asking for more money. Okay, at that time Bholi refused to marry, because she could not marry a person who is greedy. Alright. Then Bholi refused to marry him because he was a greedy man, and he never cared about Bholi. He just wanted to take him to his home, but along with a lot of money from her father. Then she announced that she will never marry in future, and she will take care of her parents in their old age. She also decided to teach in the same school from where she had gained all the education. Alright, so now children, you have understood that if someone is not intelligent enough, then too with care, with love, they can do miracles. They can become a confident person, and they can take their own decisions like Bholi. Children, I think you have understood the chapter well. Read it and learn it and do well in your board exams. Thank you.